distinguished teachers, parents, and my dear friends, a very good evening to all of you. My name is K. Bhargav and I am studying in 5th class in this school. Today I am pleased to speak about the significant educational initiatives implemented by our government. The government has introduced several schemes to improve our schools. Is Manabadi Manabhavishatu program, which focus on developing schools infrastructure and creating learning a better environment for students. Additionally, the Sarvepalli Radhakrishna Vidyarthi Mitra scheme in this binder textbooks, notebooks, workbooks, 3 pairs of uniform, a pair of shoe, 2 pairs of socks, a belt, a school bag and a dictionary. Another helpful program is the Rakka Sithamma Mid-day Meal program. Ensure that students receive nutritious meals which helps them stay focused on healthy during the school hours. Another helpful program is the Talliku Vandanam scheme. In this program, mothers of school-going children receive 15,000 each year to help with school expenses. These initiatives reflect the government commitment to providing equality education and support the holistic development of students in Andhra Pradesh. I feel lucky to study in a government school where everyone is tried to and the teachers work hard to make it better students. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
థ్యాంక్ యూ భార్గవ్. ఇంగ్లీష్లో అనర్గళంగా 3 నిమిషాల పాటు ఏ మాత్రం తొట్టుపాటికి అవకాశం లేకుండా మాట్లాడిన భార్గవ్కి మీ అందరి అభినందనలతో చిన్న ఆశీర్వాదాలు.